Hello everyone and welcome to One Man Stream. Today I'm just going to give you a quick peek into a project that I'm working on, and it's probably going to be a two-part project, but this is what I've been working on. It's kind of a generic production layout, and as you're looking at it, you can see right here we have program and preview. These buttons here, when you click on them, it's going to bring it into program in this row, and it's going to put it in preview in this row. You can see right here we're utilizing NDI monitor where we have our preview and our program. Up here is where we have the audio, and this is going to be our buses. We have the master, and then we have bus A through bus E. I don't have anything in these yet, but these are going to be where we do our video playback. We're going to have two bays, video A and video B, and then down here is our overlay channels. We're going to have four separate channels set up. And I just have a few of these named right here: station logo, topper, ticker crawl, and then these are different lower thirds, and you'll be able to fire these off. Over here, I'm going to have all the audio for the presets, and those are going to be any inputs that you may bring in. Could be phone callers, an audio clip, or whatever. And on each one of these audio clips, on these up here and these down here, I have a button where you can click on it. It's going to take it to 75% of the audio, or it's going to mute that. Also, what I'm going to go into in part 2 is I'm going to show you the audio bus manager, and I'm going to show you how you can use the audio bus manager to route your audio within your vMix production. I've been working on some new graphics. I have one for those of you that do MMA. I have this graphic right here. And that's going to be red fighter, blue fighter. It brings in the name of the gym as well as the record. And then it also in the middle, it'll tell you what round you're currently in, what round of how many. And then this is the countdown timer right here in the middle. I have this one right here. This is a new graphic. You could use it for basketball or any two-team sport. And then this right here is something that I put together, and I'm actually going to offer this for free on the website. It's just a little timer. It's actually just part of that one graphic that you saw, but it's a little timer, and you could really, kind of fit this for whatever you wanted to do, but it would work really well for combat sports, MMA, boxing, things of that nature. Also, when we do part 1, I'm going to show you which one of the widgets that we use for each one of these buttons, and I'll show you how we create these different elements within this layout and which widget that we use. And then I'll go ahead and show you what command or function we're putting behind each one of these buttons, and we'll go ahead in part 2 and we're going to map this out for some type of a layout. We might do soccer, we might do basketball since it's coming up, but we're going to map this entire thing out for some type of vMix production. Now, this graphic that I made, I said it's going to be available on the website for free. So if you go to our website, which is www.onemanstream.com, you'll see where you can download this little graphic right here that I put together for free. And it's kind of simple, but it is kind of neat. This has been a quick one-man stream preview of some of the things that we have coming up on the channel. As always, thank you so much.